Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous, this thing is a sweetheart. 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. Great car. Pretty neat history with this car. This car came out of a over 100 car collection. The people have owned it for 35 years. Really restored, kind of back to factory. You can still see it's got the oxidized primer floors on it. This is the factory color combination, signal red. They put a new black convertible top on it. It's power. It is a original 289 C-code car, so it would have had a 2-barrel. It now has a 4-barrel on it. And it is also a factory 4-speed car. So, really neat car. Factory black pony interior. And I am telling you, this thing is just an absolute sweetheart. Gorgeous car. It's got Michelin radials all the way around it. It's got the factory 14-inch steel style wheels. And man, there's just not much you can really nitpick. Paint's gorgeous. They put a billet grill in there. And look how nice the paint is. New bumpers. Couple little marks on your trim. Power top, it works great. Dual chrome mirrors, got all the factory car light glass in it. We do have a boot for the top. Just a great car, and man, does it hit the road good. Shifts out good, little stone peck there. Just a little dust there. Nice and straight down the sides. It's clean underneath. It's got a great sounding H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. Factory style wheels. They've upgraded the front disc brakes. That's just a little wax they missed, guys. Yeah, original C-code 289. It would have been factory 2-barrel. Now it has a 4-barrel. Stock intake. You can see a beautiful set of ceramic headers on it. Look how nice this thing is underneath the hood. Beautiful car. Factory 4-speed. Again, shifts out great. Stops great. This is just a killer little car. VINs on the apron like it's supposed to be. Oh, big front sway bar. So, like I say, it really drives great. This is original. Look how nice the A-pillar chrome is. Again, dual chrome mirrors. It's got, those might be original because the car's only got 72,000 miles on it. door tag. Car's out of South Carolina. The DSO on it was North Carolina, so it's probably spent its entire life in the Carolinas. Again, factory pony, deluxe interior. Gorgeous car. It's got seat belts front and rear. Again, it is a power top. They got the wood wheel. Little crack there in the wood wheel. 72,582. That's the original miles on it. I don't know the miles on the restoration, but they said there's not. I mean, obviously, when a guy's got 100 cars, he's not going to put a ton of miles on them. Factory T-handle shifter. Look how nice the gauges are. The radio didn't come on, and it might be the power button, guys. They're kind of known for that. Those Audiosounds are. Again, dual exhaust, factory rear axle, comes with a show board, factory jack with spare, new fuel tank, boot. I mean, just a killer car. And again, drives phenomenal. Tell that all the front suspension's brand new. They put new tie rod ends. It's got that big sway bar on the front. Little cap's coming off there. So we can pop that on a little better. Oh yeah, it's just a little clip that's come off on the door pad. Great car. Go ahead, Nathan. Yeah, fires. I mean, every time we turn the key, I think this fires right up just like that. That is a great car. Factory color combo. I mean, I can't think of 10 cents you'd want to spend on this car. Great car. All the gauges are functional. Yeah, it's a little low on fuel. We gotta get some fuel in it, but all the gauges work. Good oil pressure. Fit and finish is really nice. Oh, we got a brake light out. Oh no, I bet you it's just a connection. We'll fiddle with it. Click the bulb in there and it'll. Great sound. It's just a great car. I couldn't get the radio to come on. Blower motor does work. Like you say, that power button's not clicking, and those radios are actually known for that. Had a couple of them do that. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button here at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. What a great car. That thing is a sweetheart.